we're just gonna ignore this mess that is over here. I don't even know if you can see the mess over there, but it is a little bit messy. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that, and today I'm going to be showing you all of the stuff I got in my lash kit. So if you didn't know, I'm a makeup artist. I say that almost every video, but I'm a makeup artist and I've now just started doing lash extensions. So it's really exciting. It's very difficult, but yeah, I'm still practicing. I'm getting the hang of it and I'm really enjoying it. And I mean, I'm doing alright. Like, I don't want to toot my own horn here, or I don't want to like boast or anything, but yeah, I'm doing a lot better than I thought when I initially started the course, or just before. I thought it would be absolutely horrible at first, but I'm doing alright. Here's some pictures of what I've been able to do. But yeah, I'm just going to get into what I got in my lash kit. Okay, so I studied through Lavella, which is quite a well-known lash extension school in South Africa. So this is my absolutely stunning box that my whole entire kit came in. It's empty now. I know there's actually like a few little bags and boxes in there, but yeah, the products aren't in here. I've put it into an actual case, but I'll show you that in a second. So it also came with this little paper person, or she's actually plastic, she's laminated, but I just practiced my lashes on here. I haven't actually practiced on here for quite a while, but yeah, I do practice on here. Then it came with a social media booklet, and then my volume and classic manuals. So I'm obviously not going to show you this because legally I don't think I can share all the information that Lavella has taught me, but it did come with my manuals. Alrighty, I'm going to show you my kit box. If you've been watching my videos for a very long time, then you will have seen this, because it used to be my makeup kit bag, but I got a new kit bag, so I don't use this one anymore. So this is my box. It's very cute. It's pink. I love pink. So yeah, I have all my stuff in here, but I'm just going to go through and show you all of the stuff that I have. If you want to see how I've organized my kit, then give this video a thumbs up and or comment down below, and maybe I will show you how I organize my whole entire kit. But I'm going to get into the things that I got from Lavella, and then at the end I'll show you some things that I bought myself. So yeah. Okay, so in no particular order, I'm going to start off with my eyelash trays. So these are my eyelash trays. They gave us, how many did they give us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trays. So obviously I've used the first 2, so I'm gonna put that down. But yeah, they gave us quite a few. They are absolutely stunning packaging. Like, you will see throughout the course of this video how beautiful their packaging is. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you exactly what the diameter is because it will take too long and it gets confusing if you're not a pro, like if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I did get 3 C curl lashes, 2 CC curl lashes, and 1 D curl lash. So yeah, and obviously these are both for classic and volume because I got taught how to do both. So yeah, my lecturer was also kind enough to give me an empty one. This is just so you can practice something called fans on a log, and this is for volume lashes. I've practiced, these are very bad, I'm not going to show you them, but yeah, I just practiced some fans on a log. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know. Ooh, my bad. If you don't, it's basically how you practice doing volume lashes on a single strand of hair. So yeah. Then I got packs of disposables. I've actually decanted these into little containers. So I have these, which are my micro brushes, and then these are my mascara ones. So they're in 2 little cute containers. I love it. But yeah, these are my 2 lash palettes. I have one for volume and one for classic at the moment. I do need to get more, but this is all I have at the moment. They're very pure. They are very beautiful. They just say pro styling on the side, so they're plain and they're glass. Oh no, they're not glass. They're plastic. But yeah. Then I have something called the Nano Mister. This product is so beautiful. It's not a product, it's this equipment, piece of equipment, I don't know. This is so, like, it's so beautiful. Like, look how cool the packaging is. Like, look at that. I don't know. But this basically sets your eyelashes. So when you're done with your set, then you use this. It's just a little mist. How cool is it? Like, that is so cool. I'm sorry, but okay. It's very cool. It just sprays some water onto it, so yeah, very happy with that. Okay, then I have some more disposables. I just have some disposable brushes, which is like a lip applicator. So I have those. I have 2 packs of the collagen eye pads from Lavella. Look at the packaging. Like, it's so pretty. It's so cute. And then I also have the Ultra Thin Expert eye pads, which I'm not an expert, so I haven't used them yet. So I don't know what they're like, but these are pretty good. Like, they're very easy to apply. I don't know what's going on with my English today. But yeah, so I have those, and then these I haven't touched yet, but I will eventually, obviously, when I get there. Okay, now talking more about tools. I got 2 tweezers from Lavella. Look how pretty the packaging is. I don't even know how well you will be able to see. It won't focus. Yeah, so it's just like a little tweezer. There's 2 of them. Obviously you need 2 tweezers, and then they also gave us this pretty mascara wand. Hello. Yeah, it's just, they're very pretty. I kept them in the packaging because I don't want them to, get, tossed around inside my box and then get ruined or something. So I just keep them in this. I do plan on getting like a nice case to keep them in so that they don't get broken. And I also plan on getting a second pair of tweezers because my lecturer explained to me that if you drop these on the floor, then you may as well not even bother to pick them up, because if they are bent or knocked out of like in line with each other, it's like almost near impossible for you to bend them back into the right place, and they need to be in the right place because otherwise it's going to be very difficult for you to do lashes. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the best part. This is the actual products. This packaging. You don't even know, like, I am obsessed. So I have eyelash extension cleanser. Look how freaking cute! Like, this packaging, I can't. Like, this just matches my brand so perfectly. And this is the eyelash primer. Like, it's just so cute. So I have those. Then I have a coating sealer, which is in the box. I haven't actually opened it yet. I haven't used this before. So let's just have a look and see. Again, so freaking cute. Look how cute. It looks exactly like the primer, but obviously it's different. Then we have the Lavella adhesive remover. Again, I haven't used this yet. I haven't taken off a set of lashes, but this is just the product. And finally, our last product is our adhesive. So obviously I've been using a lot of this, but this is the adhesive. I think this is the Smart, yeah, the Smart adhesive. Works really well. Is it focused? I can't even tell. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, it's really pretty. The whole entire packaging just looks amazing. Okay, and then finally we got this little wheel of like little plastic containers, and this is for volume lashes. So this is where I make my pre-mades. If you don't know what pre-mades are, it's basically for volume. You stick like 2 lashes or more to one individual natural lash. If you can't keep up, or if you can't understand, then just look it up and it'll explain it to you. But yeah, I make a pre-made, so you stick the 2 lashes together, the individual false like lash extensions, you stick them together and then you dip them in glue, and then yeah, I just keep them in here for each of the little lengths that I have. So yeah. And then the final thing in my Lavella kit is my Lavella eyelash extension aftercare cards. So these are really great. I just give a little card to my client if they've never had their eyelash extensions done, or if it's a new client or whatever, I'll just give them a card and then they know how to take care of their lashes. So yeah. Okay, so those are all the things I got from Lavella, my eyelash course. So yeah, really stoked. Since then, I think it's been about like 5 days since my course ended. I've gone out and bought a few things to help me a little bit more. So I'm going to show you those things as well. Okay, so they didn't give us a cleanser brush, and that is purely because they ran out of stock. So I just had this little makeup brush. It is actually by the brand Eco Tools. So yeah, it looks exactly like a cleansing brush. So I'm just going to use this until I get my own little cleansing brush. But yeah, it's literally this, yeah, it's the same thing. Something that we were taught was to cut our iPads, and I didn't have a pair of scissors, so I got a pair of scissors. And they matched the packaging. Like, they're in these. Okay, actually they don't. These are rose gold and the rest of the packaging is gold, but it still kind of matches. Like, if I showed you this and like without anything else, you would think it matched. So correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, I need to stop waving this. I'm going to stab myself in the eye. But yeah, and then I do have pens. I have 2 pairs of pens. This is just to mark on the iPads, and this is for my clients, and it's gold. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm very excited about the packaging. It's just something that's very important to me for some weird reason. But yeah, so I have those. I also bought a little hand sanitizer. This actually, it kind of does go with the packaging because the yellow is like gold. So okay, I need to shut up about the packaging. We know, Kayleigh, we know it looks cute. But anyway, I got a hand sanitizer because A, we gotta keep hygienic, and B, Corona. So. Okay, we were taught that we should never use tape on the eyes alone. We should only ever use the iPads and then use the tape if there's like a few eyelashes that are bouncing up or whatever. So I do have a tape for that case, in the case that that does happen, which, yeah, I mean, you should never really stick this directly to the skin or directly to the lashes. You just need to be very careful, because if you do like peel it, you are going to be peeling that skin, and you're also going to be peeling the lashes, and the chances of you hurting someone is way more riskier when you use these. So yeah, I try to avoid using these unless like I really need to. If there's like a lash that's like popping up, or if the iPads just won't stick for some reason, then tape. Okay, then I just got some gum. This is just some Mentos gum, just because like you are quite close to someone, so you don't want to be like smelling like your breath. The person doesn't need to smell your breath. I mean, I do wear a mask. I actually don't have my mask in here, but I do have a mask just purely because of Corona, as well as like you need to have masks in. Like you need to be wearing a mask because you're so close to someone. But yeah, I don't have a mask near me. I don't know where I put it. But anyway, I do have a mask. It actually matches the packaging as well. It's like pink, and it has like gold. Let me find it. So this is my mask. It's very cute. I'll do a close-up just now so you can see. But I just bought this because of like Corona. So obviously I'm going to wear this when I, you know, go out. But I also use this, like it's so beautiful to use like when I have clients, because it matches my packaging. But yeah, obviously if I've had clients back to back, then, you know, I'm not gonna use this because it needs to be de-coronafied. I need to wash it. But yeah, anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. This is just a really cute mask, and it matches my packaging, so I wanted to show you. So yeah. Then I just bought a pack of these little like sponges, because I do use these to practice doing lashes on. So that's what that is for. Then I just have a packet of tissues, and the tissues are used to clean my adhesive. So yeah, and I actually also rest that on my client's forehead, so that when I'm leaning on her forehead to, you know, do her lashes, it's not going to irritate her. So yeah. And then the last two things I am so excited about. And it's something so stupid, but yeah, it's really cute. Okay, so I bought a fan. I went to China Mall like the other day, and I bought this fan. Like, it's so cute, and it's powerful. Like, there's like 3 settings. Like, it is so cute. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is just fun. I don't know. It's just to use for my lashes when I like dry my lashes, especially after I've like cleansed my lashes. I haven't done that yet. I haven't used it yet because obviously I haven't needed to cleanse my lashes yet, because no one's come in with like messy lashes, or you know, I haven't done a full yet. But yeah, and everyone's had no makeup on, so there's no need for me to use my cleanser yet. So I haven't found a need to use this yet, but I will in the future. And I'm very excited because it has cat ears, and it's pink, and it matches my packaging. So, and finally, the last thing I got was this ring light, and it like attaches to your phone. So very stoked about it. Also from China Mall. Like, it is so cheap, and I'm so excited. Oh, there you go. It's very, very bright, and it works really well at taking my pictures. So yeah, super stoked. And it was like literally like 60 bucks. It was so cheap. So that is everything that is in my kit. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, let me know again about that video where I show you how I organize my kit, because I never organized it quite well, I want to say. But yeah, anyway, that is my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys.